Hey guys, this is gonna be part 2 of the Telluride video. It cut off because I was a little long-winded, but we're just gonna start off where we were. Here's the light again, and then here's high. Gonna try and stretch this video out a little bit as I go through, so I'll do a walkthrough at the end of this fan. High speed, it does really good. It has a clicking noise in the top bearing, but it's a fucking litex. It's the last of my worries. If the motor in this thing bites the shit, I have this I can put parts on. Which might actually happen anyway. I have this Harbore's Amelia motor that I got, and have literally not shit to do with. Which it's supposed to have, I think, these shades and 6 of these blades. So, then, if this thing bites the shit, I only have to find one more blade from a telluride. And here's the light while it's running. Here's the light. Yeah, it's still too bright, but. And then, somewhat, if I spin down, this piece of shit's gonna drive me fucking up the wall, dude. Okay. There's somewhat of a spin down. Let's go ahead and now I will do the overlook. And of course the flash kills it, but whatever. Here's the fan itself. A little bit of the bottom view. Light again. There's our blade finnet. Hold on. Just gotta deal with the fucking bugs for a minute. There's this. And then up here, you have your oak, which I believe it is this blade. One of these blades is heavily water damaged on one side of it. Like, yeah, it's this one. But here's the top of it. Typical litex spinner top. I'm trying to figure out where the fuck the date code is on it. Yeah, there it is. Bitch.